All right, so this is just to show you how to expense internet and other things. I will send you the direct link for NetSuite. Once you are logged in, you're going to come down here, enter expense report, and once you click that, this is where all the little nitty gritty details come in. So obviously put your date. For your purpose, I like usually write teacher internet or teacher internet, comma, travel. Well, we're not traveling right now, but you'll probably just use it for teacher internet. And then you come down here and you want to put the date of your receipt. So like for me, if I'm doing like 3 months of internet, I'll do the oldest one first. So put that date in. You come over here to attach a file, click it, and then you would click this little plus sign and you'll search for your receipt. Once you search and add it, you're gonna come over here. You wanna make sure you hit the suite key, and this is important. They will not expense it until this is done. So you scroll down here. It's kind of weird. We're actually teacher ISPA K through 6. Actually, no, I lie. You'll be this one. Where is it? Right here. Teacher ISP 7 through 12. Click that. And then I believe over here, I want to say is it in this one that you have to click? Yeah, so I think you'll have to pick one of these, like middle school. And then if you forgot anything else when you go to submit, it'll prompt you. So then once you do that, you'll hit add or you'll hit enter and then you hit add to add another one. And again, do the original receipt date, add your receipt, your suite key, and then I think you have to come over here and hit this. And then once you're all done and you save it, there will be a submit option that will come up. So if you have any questions about that, let me know, but don't forget the suite key. I'll send you the direct link in a minute.